Mina Kids TV.
A, this is letter A. Apple starts with A, hooray! Right! B, this is letter B. Ball rolls fast, come and see. Cry! C, this is letter C. Cat says meow so happily. Wee! D, this is letter D. Dog says woof, come play with me. Yay! E, this is letter E. Elephant big as he can be. F, this is letter F. Fish go swimming, flip and flex. G, this is letter G. Giraffe so tall beside the tree. G, H, this is letter H. Hat on head, hooray, hooray. I, this is letter I. Ice cream cold and yummy, my oh my. They win. J, this is letter J. Jumping jelly beans, hip hooray. K, this is letter K. Kangaroo hops all the way. Oh. L, this is letter L. Lion roars loud, what a yell. Grind. M, this is letter M. Monkey swings from tree to stem. N, this is letter N. Nest for birds again and again. O, this is letter O. Octopus waves down below. P, this is letter P. Penguin slides so happily. Q, this is letter Q. Queen wears crown so bright and new. R, this is letter R. Rabbit runs so fast, oh wow. S, this is letter S. Snake goes hiss, no less. T, this is letter T. Tiger stripes we love to see. U, this is letter U. Umbrella open, skies are blue. V, this is letter V. Violin plays sweet melody. W, this is letter W. Whale says hi in ocean blue. X, this is letter X. I've been praised by a whining flex. Y, this is letter Y. Yellow sun up in the sky. Z, this is letter Z. Zebra stripes are fun to see.